Right, Homeward Spa room tour. First of all, you enter the room. Coffee machine there. Anytime you want to click in, please feel free to, Amy. So it's a Smeg coffee machine. Got the coffee machine there.
Kettle as well.
Oh, kettle, yeah. Series of teas. Series of cutlery. Got some brownies there as well. Complimentary brownies. Let's have a little look. Beautiful. Then you've got a fridge here. Let's have a little look.
And you've got still sparkling water and milk, and then the other drinks we bought ourselves.
Yeah, we brought those drinks, so they didn't bring it. Right, we'll have a look in the bathroom first. Now, brace yourself. The fan is noisy. Right, so nice sink, beautifully clean, lovely taps. A series of hand washes, body lotions and hand creams from a company called Bramley, never heard of them. Nice mirror. Hi. And that. All the fans are actually working all right now, which is nice. Toilet. Nice little shower. There we go, let's have a look at the bath. Nice and clean. Shower. One thing I did notice, working in electrical wholesaling, is a fan is probably the cheapest fan known to man. But we won't mention that, will we? Right, let's walk out. Towel there as well. Nice towels, let's have a feel of them, give me the feel factor. Beautiful, lovely. What's this behind the door? Oh, that's a shower mat. It's a shower mat, right. Right, so we've got cupboards there. Iron board, iron. I will be using that obviously, not happening. Lots of cupboard space. Me again, hi. Let's go in this one as well. Which you have got your robes. I haven't seen no footwear, have you? That is slightly worrying because we have got to go to the spa and there is no footwear. So I'm a little bit worried about that. Bugger, that could be a bit of a problem. Nice big TV in the corner. Nice big place to sit down. Let's have a look at the room. The bedroom, if you can see there. I think he's just walked out of the shop, but you can see the nice room. Nice bed here, got a telephone there, very retro style room. Lovely lamps. They've got this nice piece of artwork, nice sort of, I don't know what it is, some sort of top on the wall that they've framed. It looks like something Lord Bath would wear. Not really my sort of thing. Got this thing you could sit on the end of the bed. Hairdryer, Dyson, nice, lovely. Some sockets. Happy anniversary, it's our anniversary. Put a little card in there, let's say happy anniversary. Nice mirror, lovely. Let's have a little look. Nice slidey drawers, TV. I haven't checked out the TV, see if Sky Sports is on there, but we'll have a look in a minute. Nice chairs, have a look at the chairs, look. Lovely chairs, look nice and new, I'd like to say as well. Don't look too worn either. Let's have a look at the view outside. So the view outside is just lovely. Let's have a little look. And you can see outside, beautiful view of the room.
Did you notice this?
Oh, we're going to quickly go and have a look at something else.
So in the bedside table.
Bedside table.
Saw that.
Oh,
and you've got plugs.
Oh, look at that. Plugs,
USB
charging. Bit old retro though. I would say we do probably need more USB now, but it doesn't matter. We can get adaptables. There's a little switch here as well if you need a bedside lamp. Look, reading light. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm not reading anyway, so but that's nice. Let's have a little look over here. 5 amp plug there, in case I've got a 5 amp plug. I must be old fashioned because they obviously moved it around. There's another little one by the thing, there we go. Beautiful, let's have a little shot. And that is a beautiful room. Look at the size of that room. This is a nice room. Right, Amy, how much does this room cost usually?
£295 a night from starting.
From £295 a night, this room. And let's have a look at this lovely piece of light fitting at the top. Beautiful. Do you think that was Lord Bath's robe? It does look like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's tickled me that you said that.
Yeah, it does look like it, yeah. And that's it. And have a look at... Thanks, this is the room.
I think you have something, haven't you?
There we go. Thank you for watching.